She's going up.
A female Daredevil is setting her sights on the record books tonight, ready to speed through flames for a place in history. The show going on despite a serious injury that's keeping her male counterpart grounded and forcing the show, which is called Evel Live 2, to make some last-minute changes. Diane is right here with details on that. What's happening?
So death-defying stunts often look effortless on TV, but we're about to get an unplanned look at just how dangerous they really are after X Games gold medalist Axel Hodges missed a landing during practice. Now he'll be watching from the sidelines as we see the crash that injured him and see his female counterpart, Vicki Golden, make her own attempt at history with the world watching.
They were the double Daredevil team upping the ante.
Are you guys total adrenaline junkies?
Absolutely. I don't think we're very happy if we can't ride our dirt bikes.
Inspired by the legendary stunts of Evel Knievel, 22-year-old X Game medalist Axel Hodges and stuntwoman Vicki Golden were preparing to take the jump of a lifetime, aiming to cheat death on the history series Evel Live 2. Abby Boudreau spoke to the duo a few weeks ago as Hodges discussed his plan to soar more than 200 feet over 25 semi-trucks.
Are you willing to risk your life to do this jump?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, you could lose your life doing anything.
But that risk became reality when Hodges missed the landing during practice, seriously injuring both ankles. The motocross rider dropped out of the special, writing, "I made a mistake in air and wasn't able to adjust in time for landing. I'm shocked I'm not in worse shape and feel extremely grateful to have been able to get up from this crash." But the show must go on, and now Vicki's riding for both of them, hoping to shatter the motorcycle firewall record by smashing through 13 flaming wooden boards. It's a feat never attempted by a female, but that's never stopped her before.
Every race, we'd pull off and there'd be a kid crying in the corner and his dad yelling at him because he got beat by a girl.
And while Axel is obviously disappointed that he'll be missing in action, he's reportedly very excited to cheer Vicki on. You can watch it all unfold tonight on Evel Live 2 on History. But watching that video, amazing that he was able to not literally walk away from that crash, but that he'll be able to be watching from the sidelines. Could have been a lot worse. Yeah.
I've had a worse injury in my own driveway, falling off my bicycle. I mean, 2 ankles. I mean,
were you trying to ride the bicycle
no, I was just
over
trying
any
to get on
semi-trucks?
It was the kickstand got caught in my shoelace.
Tricky, very tricky.
Real tough stuff.
Pretty much the same thing.
Exactly.
Popping a wheelie and all.
Yeah, pulled a hammy.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.